In today's video by The Daily Eco, we explore the exciting world of natural insecticides. Using everyday household items, you can create effective pest control solutions that are safe for you, your family, and the environment. Number 1. Insecticides with milk. Looking for a natural solution for mites and fungal issues? This milk-based concoction tackles both. Lactic acid in milk combats fungus, while mineral salts provide a bonus boost to your soil. You'll need half a cup of buttermilk and between 12 to 13 liters of water. And finally, 3.5 cups of wheat flour. What you need to do is to combine all the ingredients in a container, mix well until smooth, and then transfer to a sprayer and apply directly to your plants. Number 2. Insecticides with chili peppers. Keep pests at bay with the power of chili peppers. This spicy concoction repels a variety of unwanted visitors in your garden. Here's what you'll need. You'll need between 6 to 10 chili peppers, depending on the desired strength, and 2 cups of water. Blend the chili peppers and water together in a blender on high speed for 2 minutes. Let the mixture infuse overnight. Strain the liquid to remove pepper particles and then dilute the strained liquid with 1 additional cup of water. Fill a sprayer and apply directly to your plants. Garlic-based insecticides. Garlic packs a punch against pests like aphids and ants. This natural insecticide is a great alternative to harsh chemicals. You'll need several cloves of garlic and 1 liter of water. Steep the garlic cloves in a liter of water for 24 hours. Simmer the mixture over low heat for 15 minutes. Then let the mixture cool completely. Strain the liquid and add it to a sprayer. You can apply it directly to your plants. But before we continue, let's put you to a test. Can you guess another way garlic is used in gardens? A. To enhance the aroma of the flowers. B. To accelerate growth. C. To enhance the flavor in plants for culinary use. What do you think is the correct answer? Think about it carefully, and at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Number 4. Tobacco-based insecticides. Tobacco-based insecticides are effective in repelling insects due to the nicotine in tobacco leaves, which is toxic to many pests. Here's how you can prepare it. You'll need 3 to 4 cigarettes, half a liter of water, and then you need to remove the tobacco from the cigarettes and place it in a container. Add half a liter of water to the tobacco. Let the tobacco water mixture sit in the container for 2 days, which allows the nicotine to infuse into the water, creating a potent solution. After 2 days, filter the mixture using a fine strainer to remove any solid particles. This ensures that the solution is smooth and won't clog the diffuser. Pour the filtered liquid into a spray bottle and then spray the solution onto your plants, focusing on areas where pests are more prevalent. Number 5. Insecticides with nettles. Nettles, in addition to causing painful stings on the skin, also offer good results as a natural insecticide. In this case, you'll need to pick up some nettle with thick gloves and place them in a bucket. Cover them with water and then let the mixture sit for a week. Place it in a diffuser and you can apply it to your plants. Number 6. Insecticides with tomato plants. Insecticides made from the leaves of the tomato plant are very useful for fighting aphids, caterpillars, and worms because the leaves of this plant are very rich in alkaloids. So, to make this insecticide, you need to chop tomato leaves until you make 2 cups, fill the container with water, and let the mixture rest overnight. Then, pour 2 glasses of water and mix well. Finally, put it in the diffuser and apply it to your plants. Number 7. Insecticides with eggshells. Eggshells are more than just kitchen scraps. These handy tools offer a double dose of defense for your garden. Crushed eggshells act as a physical barrier, deterring unwanted visitors like snails and some caterpillars. Also, eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate, nitrogen, and other nutrients, providing a natural boost for your soil's fertility. Simply crush eggshells into small pieces and sprinkle them around the base of your plants. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is A. Garlic is also used to enhance the aroma of some flowers, especially roses. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to leave us a like and write your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time.